This is an exercise ball. We have plenty of them in the fitness center, and you can do these exercises on this blue mat. Just make sure anytime you're on this mat, you do take off your shoes and you clean up after you are done. There's so many things you can do with an exercise ball, but I'm just gonna show you a few. First is you can use it as a seat to help with stability as you do upper body movements. So you could do shoulder presses, shoulder raises, bicep curls, etc. You can also use it as a core exercise. So I'm going to flip over, put it underneath my shins, curl it in and bring it out. Notice my shoulders are stacked over my hands. Another option is going to be using it almost as a weight or kind of a toy while you do some ab exercises. So you can lie down, bring it up, crunch and grab. So I'm getting an upper body crunch and lifting my lower legs. And then finally, if you want to get your hamstrings, the back of your legs, you can set yourself up on the ball, prop yourself up, use the back of your legs to pull the ball in and extend out. There's a lot more you can do with an exercise ball. Definitely look them up. There's some great cool options, but those are just a few to get you started.